we present one of our success stories with Novacloud in the manufacturing sector. The company faced several challenges with their legacy systems, including cost inefficiencies, non-scalable systems, data silos hindering collaboration, and strict security and compliance requirements. The solution delivered was a cloud transformation strategy that included ERP migration, database transformation, cloud CMS management, and data integration. Key achievements include a 30% reduction in IT operational costs, a 40% increase in ERP transactional capacity, a 50% reduction in website loading times, and a 99.99% uptime, ensuring uninterrupted production processes. The cloud transformation significantly improved operational efficiency, data accessibility, and user experience, positioning the company for sustained growth and increased competitiveness in the manufacturing industry. Novacloud, empowering growth and competitiveness in the manufacturing sector.